What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode of Draco's Journey to the Master Ball. We're going to retro teams with teams that I've created to reach the Master Ball tier. And we have a team that I created today. It is time. It is finally time. I've been looking forward to this. I am nervous, but I've been looking forward to this ever since I came up with the concept of the team a few weeks ago. It is finally time to bring Chien-Pao and the Dragons onto the ladder. Not only are we bringing Chien-Pao and the Dragons onto the ladder right now, but we are bringing Chien-Pao and the Dragons onto the ladder, and we are this close. You see it right above us, this close to breaking into the Master Ball tier. This episode is going to go one of two ways. It's either going to be super successful and Chien-Pao and the Dragons going to break us into the Master Ball tier, or we're going to lose a bunch of points, and it's going to be a complete train wreck. When I built the team, I expected it to do as well as it's done, and it's super fun, but it's not the easiest team to use. Let's take a look at it. So like I said, it's a team I came up with. It's right here. I call it C&D, Chien-Pao and the Dragons. So it's Cyclezard, Salamence, Excalibur, Garchomp, Chien-Pao, and Dragapult make up the squad. I did have a Dragonite on the team originally, but we cut him in our final testing episode. That was yesterday. Now we have Dragapult on, or not Dragapult, sorry, Garchomp on the team, which did pretty well yesterday in the testing. So I'm super excited to do this. Again, I'm really nervous. So it's a mono dragon team where Fluttermane is the most popular Pokemon in the meta. So I'm really excited to see what happens. If you guys are excited to see what happens with a mono team on the ladder, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And let's get on with today's battles. Alright. It's going as good as I thought it was going to go. The Chi-Use just sucks. I think I'm just gonna go Cyclezard and Chien-Pao here, because I'm thinking if they lead Fluttermane, Sucker Punch and Knockoff might do it. Might. Let's bring Polt in the back. And they have Chomp, we'll bring Chomp. Why not? But they have the Mushroom, and they have everything on their team that our team struggles with. Which is everything that the meta has to offer right now, essentially. It's such... Ooh, I don't know why I built this team. I'm not regretting it at all. Not by any stretch of any imagination am I regretting it. I love using it. It's super fun, but... It's super fun because when you pick up a victory, it's very, very gratifying. Okay, well, they didn't do what I thought they were going to do. Should we do that? Like, how silly is that? I think we just Shentel Protect. Yeah, they didn't lead how I thought they were gonna lead. They just terrestrialize right away. What are you gonna be? That's what I want to know. Steel typing. Okay. I mean, our Garchomp does all right here with Earthquake and stuff. Let's see, Shentel. Who do we bring in? Do we bring in our Garchomp and just Grass Tear that thing? Yeah, let's do it. Garchomp the Sleepy. Okay. They did Dragon Claw that spot. I was hoping they went into the Chien-Pao spot. That's unfortunate. Now we are jolly with 252, so... Alright. We could Terrassle his eyes, hit the EQ. And let's just go into... I was swapping out to our Cyclezard here, just to cycle out. We should have brought... should have brought Flyer. I'm still really trying to get used to the team here. We should have brought our Flyer in the back. Our Intimidate Flyer. That would have been the ideal thing to do. Because then we could have Earthquaked all day next to it. Yeah. Alright, well we go Grass Terra. Now they could have a flying move, which is not the best thing for grass. We just take out their Garchomp though. I'm okay with that. And if we lose Cyclezard here, whatever. At this point. Let's see. They do Iron Head into Cyclezard. Cyclezard goes down. It is what it is at that point in time. There's not much I can do about it. But we swap into this guy. There's the Amoonguss. Okay. Let's see. We could swap here. And maybe Protect? Do they read that swap, though? Yeah, we're gonna Protect, because if the mushroom is Citrus Berry, then I want to double attack it. Let's see what happens here. Protect here. They Brave Bird. I knew they were Brave Bird in that spot. We live it. Perfect. And they go for the Pollen Puff into that spot. Okay. So... let's just Dragon Dart. Ice Spinner. They could Protect with Amoonguss, which would be a wise Protect. Nope, they don't. Dragon Dart. Okay. And this Ice Spinner should take care of it. Okay, Ice Spinner. There goes the Amoonguss. Okay. And they Iron Head. Perfect. So we get another shot with our Dragonite, which is really good. Flutterman comes in. Okay. So we have to Dragon Dart. It is what it is. It has no effect there. And we'll Protect here. Phantom Force would have been good. We should have Phantom Force. Oh well. Still, the Crovignite is being a bit of a problem. Oh, the smart targeting comes in clutch there. A Dazzling Gleam. Okay. Chien-Pao protects itself. And what are they doing here? They bulk up. Okay. Okay. We swap in here. Now, still big problems here, but I'm gonna protect here. I'm gonna sucker punch you. Now they could bulk up to stop the sucker punch. That would be really smart. Protect. Let's see. Sucker punch comes through. Takes down the Krov Ignite. Perfect. Okay. Fluttermane degleams. Chien-Pao goes down. Now hopefully an Iron Head is enough. I'm really banking on Iron Head and Garchomp to be enough. Let's hit it. Iron Head. Come on, Garchomp. Be the right choice. Shadow Ball. Oh no. Does this take us out? No, we lived that. Let's go. Iron Head comes through. Man. It's really unfortunate. It's really unfortunate it's Focus Sashed. The one thing that beats us. The one thing that beats us. Focus Sash on it. We had all our bases covered, but it is what it is. GG's. It sucks. Man. It is what it is. We had everything right. We did everything positioning wise, and we played our game right. We played everything right. They just had the one tech, and that was the Focus Sash, which like you never see on those things on Fluttermane. So, GG's. Let's get into another one. All right, battle coming at you. So they have Tailwind. But they have stuff that's faster than our Tailwind, unfortunately. Stupid Fluttermane. Alright. What if we lead Cyclozard, Dragapult, bring our Salamence in the back. Of course, it could be, not good for us. We'll bring Chien-Pao for sure. And let's just bring our back Excalibur. It's got priority. Yeah. It's been a day so far with this team. It's gone worse than I thought it was going to go, to be honest with you. And the thing is, it's me. I'm making bad calls. I could have won the last battle I had with the team. All I had to do was not protect the Pokemon. They had one Pokemon left with low health. I just had to double up on it, and it would have been fine. Okay, well, we could have Tailwinded. That makes me sad. We'll Shed Tail Dragon Darts. Bring in Chien-Pao. We're not going to Terrasilize right now. Of course, I could switch into the Fairy Pokemon, which would be alright. And we didn't bring our Tailwind to match, unfortunately. This is what I'm talking about, bad calls. Making bad calls. I have to take a break here. I'm not getting good battles, too, and that's what really, that's the frustrating part, is I don't mind losing, but, when I just fail miserably at getting the team, because I play with a lot of teams that have, a shtick, a gimmick, a meme about it. So we did Terrasilize there. Okay, yeah. They Stone Edge. Cyclozard avoids the Stone Edge. We get a Shed Tail off. Okay, that's big time. Chien-Pao can come in. Okay, we're gonna have to switch out the Dragon Bolt next turn. Almost OHKOs it. Takes that down to the Focus Sash. Okay. So they don't get a free switch in. So I think I'm okay with Protect. Actually, I don't know if I'm okay with Protect. I think we Sucker Punch here. Should have brought Salamence. Would have been such a good switch right now. Let's just go Cycle Zard. Sucker Punch. Let's see. Hopefully they're attacking. They protect there. That's decent enough protect, I guess. Sucker Punch. Take it out. Get rid of the red Gyarados. Get out of my game, Gyarados. You ain't allowed to play anymore. Okay, I'm gonna go for the double sub. The double sub. Can we see 2 subs sitting on the field at the same time? It would be funny. I don't know who they are. Okay. Cork Drive. Attack was heightened. 2 turns of Tailwind. They just protected with that. But I'm going to protect here. I'm going to press the Shed Tail button. Just to press it. They protect. Let's go. They're letting us get 2 subs on the field. Protect. Oh, wow. This is good. Oh, no, that's not good. Taunt. We'll double up into that thing. Oh, we should have hit... We should have hit the bird. I totally didn't even realize that. Okay, well, they're going to be able to get the Tailwind up next turn. That's fine. A Spirit Break into the Substitute. So we didn't get the double sub up. We tried, but it's really hard. Critical hit into the Substitute. That's cool. I'm okay with that. Let's see. Power Whip. Some good damage there. Ice Spinner. Takes out the Iron Valiant. Okay. Alright. Tailwind peters out. It's a good thing we doubled up because they protected to reset Tailwind. Melantio. Okay. I'm going to protect. I'm going to go for the dragon. The Power Whip there. Hopefully they try Moonblast to protect and not Dazzling Gleam. Because that would be unfortunate if they Dazzling Gleam. They do Terra. We should have took out Murkrow when we had the chance. What are you going to do? Protect. They do Tailwind. That's fine. They do Dazzling Gleam. Okay. Alright, so Cycle Zard didn't stand a chance. They're Life Orb. Okay. Bring out Bax. And we Sucker Punch, Ice Shard. Ice Spin or Protect, because we still have Focus Sash intact. And they could Protect, which would be really clever for them. Okay, we Protect with backs. The Pompous. It's funny how small that thing is. It's the second most shortest one you can get your hands on. Okay, hopefully... maybe we should have just Sucker Punched. We go down to the 1. Attack into the back Excalibur. Just attack into the back Excalibur. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Yes! Awesome. Okay, Ice Spinner is going to come off. It's going to do good damage here. The KOs. Let's go. Chien-Pao, I love you. What a good Pokemon. And it looks like we're going to pick up the W here. Finally. Protect. Ice Shard. Protect there. And Ice Shard. GG's. GG's. We made it a little bit harder than it should have been. Because we let them get Tailwind back up. And we didn't bring out Tailwind User. But it is what it is. We take home the victory. So we're 1-1 for the video. Or what's recording. But, you know. It is what it is. The team's doing really well. I'm doing very poor as far as like my decisions and stuff. And I even did it in that one. We just got lucky. Anyways, third and final battle coming at you. 1 second. Alright. They have Annihilate. That's hilarious. Let's say like this. Annihilate. Okay, I'll be honest with you. Our Terra very go hard here. It really could. Garchomp. Yeah. We're still thinking. How did we pick faster? What happened? Oh, I was like, I don't know if they timed out or what happened there. That was weird. I thought we crashed. Annihilate Mousehold. I have a feeling they timed out. I have a feeling they timed out. Son of a biscuit. Oh, this is terrible. I was hoping you were Vital Spirit and not Defiant. Every battle has just been insanely rough. I went Shed Sail Tailwind. I don't know why I did that, but that's what we're gonna do. And I even Terrestrial his eyes to do it. What am I doing? Alright. Terrestrial his eyes as well. The mouse, or not the mouse, the Annihilate. Into water. It's a good terrestrialization. We have grass. Okay. So what are they doing? I mean, I guess we just bring Chien in. Man, imagine if we would have saved our Terra there. We should have. Bring Chien in. Are they bulking up? Okay, we're gonna get our Tailwind off, so we were faster to begin with. And they are bulking up. That's okay. Now they're +2. That's really bad. We haze. And... haze and... I'm gonna go Terra Blast. Haze and Terra Blast. Then they follow me. That's fine. I just want to haze away their stuff. Gets rid of all those pesky defense and 2 attack boosts they have. Okay, and Terra Blast into the mouse. What's that? Friend Guard? Oh, they have a strong lead here. We shouldn't have Terrestrialized there. Okay. Let's see what they do. They Drain Punch into the substitute. Let's go. Okay. Alright, now we have to Ice Spinner. And Protect. Ice Spinner and Protect. Let's see. Follow me again. Okay. This should take out the mouse. I don't know why they didn't beat up. Alright. And they bulk up again. Okay, well we just haze again. And switch. Maybe? Let's see. Depending on who's next. Maybe we don't switch, but I think we definitely haze, depending on who's next. We definitely need to set a Tailwind up later on. Tyranitar. Okay. We're gonna haze. One more turn of Tailwind. I'm gonna Terra Blast. They could Protect with that thing, but I want to haze that stat boost away anyways. Just, you know, because it's gonna do so much damage to our fighting type. There's the haze again. Okay. You Terra Blast. This should do huge damage to their guy right here, Tyranitar. Oko, almost Oko's it. And there's another bulk up again. Keep bulking up, my guy. Okay, and what's this? Rock Slide. Huge damage there. Okay, let's see. So they're leftovers. Our Tailwind Peter's out. Man, I wish we could get Tailwind up. I just don't think we can. Although we work faster than they Annihilate. Okay. Sucker Punch comes through. It did nothing. Damn. Terra Blast. Okay. We should have just hazed. And they Rage Fist. We Rage Fisting Salamence. That's fine. Do we live in sand here? I really hope we do. Because then we can get a haze off if we do live a sand. I need to live one sand tick. We do. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna bring in Cyclozard. Flutter Wing. Okay. That's unfortunate. Not giving the Tailwind up. Should have just Tailwinded. I don't know why we didn't. I doubled up into Flutter Mane. Sucker Punch and Knockoff. Sucker Punch. Oh, we O-Co'd it. Let's go. That's a tiny little O-Co there. Unfortunately, we lose both our Pokemon there. Okay, well that's not good. That's not good at all. We have Drain Punch. We have Garchomp. I think we have to go with Iron Heads for flinches. Grass, Ice, and Water. Alright, and we knocked off their leftovers, so I mean, yeah, this is a good one coming down. And maybe we Earthquake, actually. I don't know. I'm gonna go EQ. I'm gonna go EQ. This is a tough battle. Let's see. They're really thinking about it. And our defenses are up a little bit. Earthquake comes super faster. That's good to know. Okay. Well, that half hells it. I don't know if we can win with their Drain Punch. They bulk up again. Okay. +2. EQ again. They protect. I don't know why they're protecting. I don't know why they're protecting. Oh, the Sandstorm. That was a good protect for the Sandstorm subside. EQ again. Let's see. This is so close. Oh, they live with like... Nah, I think they Drain Punch and win. We need a crit here. We win. GG's. GG's. Great battle. GG's. Excellent battle. GG's. Great. Let's put the rental code up on the screen. 1 second. All right. Yep. End of the episode. It went about as well as I thought it was going to be. As you can see, we were almost to Master Ball, and now we're not. You know, we'll talk. I'll put the rental code up, and then I'll break it down what happened with the set of battles today. But hey, sometimes you have days where you just, you know, can't win them all. Alrighty, here is the rental code for today's episode. And what an episode it was. Through the 6 battles, I ended up only winning 2 of them. And then losing the other ones. But I didn't lose because it's Dragon, and like a fairy Pokemon came in and just wrecked me. I lost, honestly, most of those matches because I just made bad calls. Calls that I had the right call, the win condition, and like I knew the win condition, but like, do they know that I know that this win condition, so maybe I should do this because they know this, and if they do this, I still have this win condition, but they do this, I will lose. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. It's complicated at that point. But there was plenty of battles where I could have won, and I should have won, and I didn't win because your boy just misplayed. It happens. Misplays happen. It's part of the game. We were super close to getting into Master Ball. We're still close to getting into Master Ball. We're getting into Master Ball. This is the team, though. Chien-Pao and the Dragons is something I came up with. It's going to consist of Cycle Guard with a Choice Scarf Shed Tail option, which is really, really fun to use. You got Tailwind control. I lost a couple matches because I had a chance to Tailwind, and I didn't, and I don't know why I didn't. It was right there. All I had to do was hit it. I probably would have lost Salamence, but at that point, you had Tailwind. You were popping in the back. You got Clear Amulet, so you don't get your stats changed. It's got Terra Fairy with Terra Blast, because I thought it was really funny when I did it. I don't know. Baxcalibur with a Thermal Exchange and the loaded dice, and the pretty standard moveset with the loaded dice. It's actually like, I think his best moveset with the Water Terror. Baxcalibur is amazing. It lived stuff that I thought it wasn't going to live. I was actually really impressed with Baxcalibur, and I see why it's on a lot of balanced teams. Garchomp's over here with Rough Skin and the Life Orb. It's got a Grass Terror with Terra Blast to help take care of the Dolphin and stop yourself from going to sleep. It's got Earthquake for Stab and Iron Head because I wanted as many options on here to take care of Fluttermane as possible. Honestly, I would probably, if I revisited the team, I would probably switch Salamence to Steel with Steel Terra Blast or Iron Head. Probably just Iron Head because Iron Head has a chance to flinch. But yeah, Garchomp has Iron Head for that. Chien-Pao, pretty standard Chien-Pao set with Focus Sash, the Haze, and the Ghost Terra with Ice Spinner and Sucker Punch and Protect. Dragapult's the Choice Band option here with Dragon Darts, and sitting next to Chien-Pao does an amazing amount of damage. U-turn Terra Blast with the Terra Steel, another option to take care of the Fluttermanes. They're everywhere, and they are the bane of this team's existence. Phantom Force to round the team out. This is the team. It's something that I came up with. I don't know if you can tell by my name right here. Draco, I love dragons. That's why I built it. So, is it a easy team to operate on in this meta? No, it's not, unfortunately. All the matches I lost, I would say I probably lost because I just miscalled. There wasn't one match where I just let the opponent run away with it. There were a couple matches where I let it get out of control because I made a bad call. And I had a call to control what happened, and I was like, oh, we're just going to do this. I was playing as if I was testing the team versus as if I was trying to climb the ladder, unfortunately. I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of. Like, I don't always play that bad, but when I do, damn, do I play bad, because it was really bad today. Anyways, that's the end of the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and you enjoyed some Mono Dragon. If you guys did, go ahead and smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, stay positive, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.